tayo kay Amanda kasi ang init, kailangan natin ng payong. Time check guys, 1:31 ng hapon. So natapos ang work ko 11 o'clock, tapos buti na lang at may isang Filipina doon, si Tita Maria. Nakat yung hours nila kasi hindi masyadong busy sa restaurant. So natapos siya ng 12. Buti na lang, ang sabayan ko hanggang sa bus stop. And yun! Kita niyo sobrang init. Makakasalubong natin si Amanda, may nakapayong. Guys, nandito na si Amanda. Mag-hi ka.
Guys, wala namang araw.
Ito yung payong na gift sa amin ni Indianan. Galing ng ANZ.
Sakto na ka-akit siguro.
Yan, bahay na tayo guys. Si Amanda ay nagluluto ng tinola. At dahil nag-crave siya ng tinola, siya ang magluluto. Gusto mo lagyan ng malunggay at saka ano? Pinag-harvest ko din siya ng malunggay at saka papaya. Sana pwede na yung mga papaya natin doon. Pero feeling ko hindi pa. Medyo maliliit pa sila. Anong kaguluhan yan? Ha? Ba't natahimik kayong lahat? Ah? Ano? Pakaingay? 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 Yun yung kinuha ni Amanda na malunggay niya. And then, hindi ko alam kung pwede na siguro to, no? Ang malaki. Yung spider, guys. Hindi kasi namin sila pinapatay. Nahayaan lang namin sila dito. Ang ating kamatis ay madami ding bunga. First harvest sa ating papaya. Yeah. Yan ang ating tinola. Ayan na yung puso ng saging na hinarvest natin last time. Gawin nating patties. Uy, nakakamiss naman yung patties na yan. Sabunganay patties. Namiss na lang mga kapatid ko to. Luto ng kanilang ate, Charil. Miss nyo ba? Guys, miss nyo pa guys? Yum! Look at my patties, love. It's not broken. It's not breaking or something. Oh, that's good.
Wow.
I don't know. Perfect.
Wow.
Luto ng ating patties. Nilagyan ko yan ng chicken. Ground chicken. Paka-special naman ng patties na yan. O may salmon, tapos may coleslaw tayo. Meron din tayong ketchup. Kain tayo, boys. It's my dinner.
Say hi, mommy.
Kain tayo, patties. Sabunganay patties. Puso ng saging patties. Andito kami sa labas, guys. Nagtapon ng basura si Daddy. It's the moon. Where is it? Properly. Yeah. Hi, Shadows. This is our 4th delivery. Happy ako nakapag-video kanina. Hindi rin kami nag-video ni Marky kanina umaga. Last delivery! Yan ang ating Caesar salad. Popular to guys. Super popular. Ito naman tayo sa pastry. Mag-tray up tayo ng muffin. Inutusan lang tayo kasi may sakit yung chef dito sa pastry. tayong dalawang tray. So yan, naglalagay na tayo ng toppings. May chocolate, may almond. Last is yung berry.
Berry is the last one.
Yan na lahat yung nagawa natin. Time check! It's 5:09 and kakasunod sa akin ni Mr. Pauwi na siya kanina. Tapos sabi ko, I'm still here in the hotel! Hindi niya binasa yung phone niya, guys, na nandito pa lang ako sa work. Ay, naku po, late na tayo nakauwi. Hello, love! Magandang hapon.
Gandang hapon? Kumusta?
Ang messy ng uniform niya. Messy na naman sa work. Mabuti, mahal. Last delivery, fruits. Ay, naku po. I'm pagod. Guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Time check, 3:31. Kakasundo lang ni Daddy sa akin. Oh. Let's go, my love. Look at that. It's pouring. We're going home now.
Bewildered why your eldest son and my older brother.
Guys, happy Friday. It's Friday already.
I know, my whole cold. I've been at work for a whole week.
It's so quick, isn't it?
Oh. Now I know where. I didn't have my time off. It was like,
Yeah, it's just 2 days.
oh, look how quick it's going. Look how.
Day of the market tomorrow. One more day for me and it's our day off. Sinunod tayo ni Amanda sa taas.
Kahit hindi naman umaaraw, guys.
Maulan na, oh. Sakto, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ewan ko ba't ako nagpasundo sa kanya. Sinundo naman niya ako.
Miss na kasi ako.
Ay. Hello, everyone. Ayan, maaga tayo natapos sa work today. And punta kami ni Amanda mag-watch ng sine with friends. Si Daddy Marky hindi sasama kasi pinapaayos niya si Queenie na flat ang ating sasakyan.
Check. Top from CK.
Skirt from Harde. Sneakers from
Crocs.
Crocodile.
Bag from No.
Bag from Novo. Jacket from... Saan ka ba ito nabili? Sa Pilipinas ata. papanoorin natin? Manood ka rin?
Hindi.
KJ?
Uwi mo.
Bebe.
Fresh from work.
Ang ganda ng weekend! Nakatulog ako, guys. So, dito kami sa plaza nanood. And magdi-dinner kami sa Momo Korean resto.
Here we are in Momo.
That's our food. So, Tita Sandra ordered chicken, and then rice, and then Amanda and I will have and uwi na kami. Mag-Uber kami ni Amanda. Bye! Of course, Daddy Marky overtaking again. Ay, ay, ay. And that's the weather. Good morning, my love. Happy Saturday, my love.
Magandang umaga!
It's your day off, my love.
Yeah, okay. It's gonna be Monday before I know it.
I know, right? It's your first week of 2025 working, and it's your day off again. Ang bilis talaga ng araw.
It's going wicked.
We are on the way home, and it's heavy rain. With my pogging husband. Are you poggy, my love? Poggy?
Am I what?
Poggy. Handsome.
Oh. You're gorgeous. Mahal ko napagaganda mo.
Oh my gosh! Mahal ko! So heavy. Oh, love! Marky, please! Be careful, please!
Of course I'm careful. I know how to drive a car.
Tapos na ang ating second load ng labahin. Sabi ko kay Marky, pwede ba ako magsampay dito sa garahe kasi naka-close naman? Sabi ko, who's your smart wife? I love you, sabi niya. Tapos na ang ating sampay. Maulan kasi. Tsaka wala tayong space sa labas. Yan yung iba nating labada. Oh, di ba? Dual purpose ang ating garahe.